the ancient giants of the deep. Deep beneath the icy waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Oceans lurks one of nature's greatest mysteries, the Greenland shark. These elusive creatures move slowly, their dark, massive forms gliding through the frigid depths. Unlike most animals, their story unfolds over centuries, with some individuals having roamed the ocean since before the United States became a country. With lifespans stretching up to 400 years, these sharks are the longest living vertebrates on Earth. But what allows them to defy time itself? Scientists have long speculated that their extreme longevity is linked to the freezing waters they inhabit and their slow metabolism. However, a deeper dive into their genetic code has begun unraveling the secrets of their remarkable lifespan. In 2021, a team of researchers led by bioinformatician Arne Sahm embarked on an ambitious quest. They sought to sequence the entire genome of the Greenland shark, hoping to uncover the biological tricks that grant them such extraordinary longevity. But first, they had to catch one. Unraveling the genetic secrets catching a Greenland shark is no small feat. These giants, which can weigh over 2,000 pounds and dive up to 7,000 feet deep, require special baiting techniques. Scientists used massive hooks loaded with rotten meat to lure them in. Once captured, brain tissue samples were carefully collected, providing the raw material needed to decode their genetic blueprint. What the team discovered was astonishing. The Greenland shark's genome is nearly twice the size of a human's, containing over 22,600 genes. Scientists identified two crucial elements in this vast genetic library that may explain their longevity. The team discovered an astonishing fact. The Greenland shark's genome is nearly twice the size of a human's, containing over 22,600 genes. Scientists identified two crucial elements in this vast genetic library that may explain its longevity. The team discovered an astonishing fact. The Greenland shark's genome is nearly twice the size of a human's, containing over 22,600 genes. Scientists identified two crucial elements in this vast genetic library that may explain its longevity. First, they found an abundance of jumping genes or transposons, segments of DNA that can move around within the genome. While such elements often cause genetic instability in Greenland sharks, they seem to play a protective role. Many of these jumping genes are associated with DNA repair, a crucial factor in preventing age-related diseases and cancers. Second, the researchers identified a unique mutation in the T53 gene, known as the guardian of the genome. This gene plays a vital role in preventing cancer by repairing damaged DNA and eliminating potentially harmful cells. In Greenland sharks, this gene's altered structure might enhance their ability to suppress tumors and maintain cellular health for centuries. The future of longevity research. While the secrets of the Greenland shark's longevity are fascinating, they are not a direct recipe for human immortality. The biological differences between sharks and humans are vast, but their genetic adaptations provide valuable insights into aging and disease resistance. The future of longevity research. While the secrets of the Greenland shark's longevity are fascinating, they are not a direct recipe for human immortality. Sharks and humans have vast biological differences, but their genetic adaptations provide valuable insights into aging and disease resistance. Researchers believe that by studying long-lived species like the Greenland shark, bowhead whale, and naked mole rat, we can identify common genetic patterns that contribute to extended lifespans. This knowledge could one day lead to breakthroughs in human health, not to make people live for centuries, but to extend the number of years we spend in good health. One of the most promising areas of study involves harnessing the mechanisms of DNA repair. If scientists can mimic the Greenland shark's ability to maintain genomic integrity, they may be able to develop therapies that slow aging and reduce the risk of age-related diseases like cancer. For now, the Greenland shark remains a living time capsule, swimming through the depths with the wisdom of centuries encoded in its genes. As research continues, these ancient giants may hold the key to helping humanity unlock the mysteries centuries of aging and health, proving that sometimes the greatest lessons come from the most unexpected places, the cold, dark waters of the deep, conservation and the unknown. Despite their incredible longevity, Greenland sharks remain one of the least understood creatures in the ocean. Their slow movements and preference for deep, dark waters make them difficult to study. Much of what scientists have learned comes from sharks caught accidentally in fishing nets or those intentionally captured for research. But even these ancient giants are not immune to modern threats. Climate change, ocean pollution, and commercial fishing pose risks to their populations. The Greenland shark is currently listed as vulnerable, and scientists worry that their slow growth and late maturity, taking over 100 years to reach reproductive age, make them particularly susceptible to population decline. Conservation efforts are now in discussion to ensure that these extraordinary creatures continue to roam the Arctic depths for centuries to come. Scientists are calling for stricter fishing regulations, increased habitat protection, and more research to understand how climate change might affect their deep-sea home. There is still so much to uncover about the Greenland shark. Every discovery about their biology, genetics, and behavior brings us closer to understanding not just their survival, but the secrets of life itself. I am Jojo Uemana. Thank you for watching KJ Pro TV.